So we are considering the linear equation involving brackets. So let's solve question A. 7 So here we firstly have to expand the bracket first. So this 7 multiplies the 7 and the x will give us 7x, and 7 times negative 6 will give us negative 42, be equal to 3 times x will give us 3x, and then 3 times 9 will give us 27. Then the group like terms here, so 3 will come here and then 42 will move. So you get 7x minus 3x to be equal to 27 plus 42. So this one will give us 4x to be equal to 69. So since we are looking for x, divide both sides by 4. So divide here by 4, divide here by 4. So you get x to be equal to 17 whole number 1 over 4. So this one becomes the answer for question A. Now let's take question B. Now we are looking at B, saying that we should solve this equation. That is 1 on 3 x plus 3 4 number 1 over 3. So you change the mixed fraction to improper fraction. So by doing so, we have to, okay, so let's change it. So 4 multiplies 3, or 3 times 4 gives us 12 plus 1, so 13 on 3. Then, since we have a fraction here, look for LCM. So the LCM here will be the 3. So you multiply the 3 through. So here you get 3 times 1 on 3 minus 3. Okay, so let's make it. So minus the 2 times 3 in the brackets, x minus 5 equal to 3 times 13 on 3. So this 3 goes to 3. Then left with 1 here, multiply it by what is in the brackets. So brackets plus 3 here. This one will give us minus 6 in the brackets. This 3 goes to 3, 1 multiplied by 13 will give us 13 here. So now let's expand the brackets. So when we multiply 1 by x, we get x. 1 times 3 will give us 3. Negative 6 times x will give us negative 6x. And this one will give us plus 30 equal to 13. Then we group like terms. It means that you are going to get x minus 6x, then equal to 13. 30 will cross the equal sign, become negative, and the 3 goes becomes negative. This one gives us negative 5x. Then this one also will give us negative 20. So divide, we want x. So divide both sides by negative 5. So this will cancel that, leaving x to be equal to, so let's continue it here. So we have x, negative will cancel negative, 5 goes to 20, how many times? 4. So x will be equal to 4. So that becomes our answer for the P.